Job of the day. We're doing a bearing service on this Gray Wolf trailer camper. So I'm gonna get it up in the air. I'm gonna do driver's side first, and then I'll do passenger side. Change of plans. I'm gonna run and grab some more materials. He wants to put some combo tubes on the back tubing because he's going deer hunting, and he's got a carcass hanger that he's gonna slide into the tubing. Then it's got some outriggers for support so the whole load isn't carried by that back tubing. I was looking up and underneath, and it looks great. It's welded to the I-beam, probably about 18 inches down, so it'll carry the weight no matter what he puts on there. But I'm gonna run and grab some combo tubes, some U-bolts, because we're gonna make it bolt on, and then I'll go back and do bearings and make those housings for him. It's a bucket weekend, I think, at Harbor Freight today. So I got some drill bits, some pins for the combo tubes, and some combo tubes. I'll just cut these down, and then I gotta run and grab some U-bolts so I can bolt it onto the back. First stop is done. Let's go find, like, I think Ace Hardware, Amy's Hardware will have some 4-inch U-bolts. And Ace had the U-bolts. Let's go back and work on it. And tires are coming off driver's side. 1 tire off. 2 tires off. Good. Hook up to my tester. Make sure brakes are working. I did fix the brakes last time I was here, but that was a year and a half ago, I think. So we'll test. Looks like everything's working but reverse. I don't think this has reverse lights. It does not. Okay, it'll do left turn. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on and working. Tail markers, yes, everything's on. Good. I think my box is running out of power. Yeah, we're running out of power. Keep that out and charged. Grab my other box, test lights and all that stuff. Battery's getting low. There we go. Other box is in. All lights are nice and bright. Yes. I know left turn, right turn works. Good, good, good. Brakes, free spinning. And electric brakes are on. Both are locked up, perfect. And are we back to free spinning? Yes, let's do this. Spindles are clean, backing plates are perfect. Backing plates perfect, magnets good, everything's good on that. Washer, castle nuts are clean. I'm gonna install. Driver's side hubs are packed. Front cotter key is on, rear cotter key is on. Dust cap's going on. Dust cap on, free spinning. Dust cap is on, free spinning, perfect. Check brakes and then move to the other side. Tires and wheels are going on, good. Plug in the main tester, it's probably charged a little bit by now. Plugged in, everything's good. Front's free spinning, rear's free spinning. Brakes are on, brakes are off. Rear free spinning, front free spinning. Cool, let's drop it. Alright, we got front cotter key installed passenger side, rear cotter key installed passenger side. Both hubs are packed. Dust cap on the rear is on. Dust cap on the front is on. There we go. Rear, brakes are on, brakes are off. Free spinning, brakes are on, brakes are off. Free spinning, perfect. And passenger side tires are going on. Sweet, let's drop it down. All right, getting plates ready. I'm gonna cut out this plate here, and then I got U-bolts. They're gonna go right next to that. That's gonna go around the tubing. Boom, like that. I'm gonna cut this down to probably 8 inches. We'll do an 8-inch tube. Start cutting. I got plates made for the combo tubes. Got 4-inch U-bolts. So I'm gonna weld these to the combo tubes, and he can move it anywhere on that back tubing. These aren't gonna carry much weight because there's gonna be outriggers for the deer hanger he's sliding in. So he can move it anywhere he wants on the back. But I'm gonna start welding these out. Both combo tubes are done and painted. Just letting them dry, and then I'll mount them onto the back. Alright, installed his stabilizer back on. He said he bent it up. He rebent it, so I just reinstalled it how the other one was. I'm gonna jack it all the way up, make sure it gets out of the way. And the jack is all the way up. I'm gonna torque lug nuts and then get these mounted on the back so he knows where they're at. And torquing lug nuts. Driver's side front. Front is done, rear starting. That's why we torque. Rear driver's side done. Rear passenger done. Front passenger done. Now let's get those brackets on. Now I got combo tube on that side, combo tube on this side going on. Good, nice and tight. And this isn't carrying much weight, he's just gonna hang a deer off of it, and the outriggers are gonna come down and support the ground. So, sweet. I did the rundown on this. Everything's done. All lights work, brakes work, new bearings, new seals, new grease on the axles. Everything's torqued on the lug nuts. I fabbed up some combo tubes and plates to bolt onto the rear for his deer carcass mount, and I reinstalled his RV stabilizer jack that broke off on his last trip. This trailer's done. I'm on to the next.